So you bought some Bitcoin on Coinbase and you're looking to withdraw it into your wallet. You want to make sure though that that address you're typing in from your wallet is exactly right. I've been in this space for years, and even now I'm still a bit paranoid about checking that I've got the right address when I'm sending and receiving crypto. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe, and that way you can stay in the loop about content I make to help you to find your way in the crazy and often hostile space that is cryptocurrency. I just want to look at a feature on Coinbase that I actually think doesn't get enough publicity. The whitelist feature in the address book on your account is a really good way to secure your account, both from other people who might compromise it and from you making a mistake. So for this, you'll need a Coinbase account, and once you've got that, you can go to Coinbase Pro. Just log into Coinbase Pro using your Coinbase account. And then once you're in there, if you click in the menu on the top right and go to address book, you'll get a screen like this. And basically what you can do here is you can turn on whitelisting. And what makes this smart is if you go to add a new address, it won't let you withdraw immediately, but it will make you wait a couple of days. So any addresses you whitelist in Coinbase Pro will also be whitelisted in Coinbase on both the website and the Coinbase app. And it has this great note down the bottom, all cryptocurrencies need to have a specified withdrawal address. If you don't add one, you won't be able to withdraw that currency. And I'll just show you real quickly what it looks like to add an address. So once you've got this turned on, you basically just click add new address. You select the asset. So we're going to use Bitcoin in this case. And I'm just going to copy a Bitcoin address from a wallet. We'll just say test. And we can add as many as we like in one go, but we're just going to do one for this example. And then I say save. I'll need to use the two-factor code. So again, for someone to compromise your account and to go adding their own things, they would have to compromise your two-factor as well. And you just say add address, and we can see now that the address is there, but it will take 48 hours before we can use it. As soon as I've added that address, I also get an email which says a new address will be whitelisted in 48 hours. So again, if I were to receive an email like this just out of the blue, it would tell me that I need to freeze my account immediately and work out how it's been compromised. If you are worried about address reuse and privacy, I'd suggest you use Electrum and essentially just pre-whitelist, say 10 addresses in advance under the addresses tab in Electrum. And if that tab's not there for you, you basically just say view show addresses, and you can see all of the receiving addresses even before they have transactions. Whereas when you're using something like a Ledger or a Trezor or even Coinomi, they'll generally only show you the next receiving address. But if you are wanting to whitelist a whole bunch of stuff in advance and just send small transactions to them to verify everything's all good, Electrum is the way to do that. My only tip to you is that you add the addresses you want to use before you turn on the whitelist, because otherwise you'll have to wait 48 hours for the addresses you add before you're able to use them. Really simple feature, but something that can take a lot of the anxiety out of withdrawing from an exchange and also just help prevent you from making a mistake. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Hit like if you think that other people would find this video useful, and hit subscribe if you'd like to be kept in the loop about future content I make that helps people stay safe in the crypto space and to recover if they get into trouble. If you have any questions about this video or a topic that you'd like me to cover, just leave a reply.